In this video, we listed the top 5 best smart video doorbells with cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Google Nest Doorbell. The Google Nest Doorbell Battery is a smart video doorbell designed to help you monitor your front door with convenience and confidence. Featuring HDR video with a 145 degrees wide field of view, it captures clear, detailed footage day and night, while built-in night vision ensures reliable visibility in low light conditions. The doorbell includes two-way talk, allowing you to communicate with visitors directly from your smartphone even when you're away from home. With intelligent motion alerts, local storage backup, and seamless compatibility with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa, it integrates effortlessly into your smart home setup. Its battery-powered design supports easy installation without existing doorbell wiring, while dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz provides a stable connection. Built with an IP54 weather-resistant rating, the Google Nest Doorbell is a dependable choice for enhancing the security and convenience of your home. Number 2. BOIFUN J7 180 Degrees Video Doorbell. The BOIFUN J7 180 Degrees Video Doorbell is a smart wireless security solution that provides wide-angle coverage and reliable protection for your front door. Featuring crisp 2K HD video with a 180 degrees ultra-wide viewing angle, it captures clear details of visitors, packages, and surrounding areas. Equipped with two-way audio, intelligent motion detection, and full-color night vision with a range of up to 60 feet, the doorbell lets you monitor and communicate with visitors from anywhere using your smartphone. Its rechargeable 5200 mAh battery, IP65 waterproof design, and easy wireless installation make it ideal for year-round outdoor use. The BOIFUN J7 also supports local recording with micro SD cards up to 128 GB, eliminating the need for mandatory cloud subscriptions. Compatible with Amazon Alexa and the BOIFUN mobile app, this smart video doorbell delivers dependable security, convenient remote access, and excellent value for protecting your home. Number 3. BOTSLAB R811S Smart Video Doorbell. The BOTSLAB R811S Smart Video Doorbell is a feature-packed 5MP wireless doorbell camera designed to provide complete front door protection with intelligent AI security. It captures crystal-clear 5MP video and offers a unique one-to-one head-to-toe view with a 180 degrees field of view and panoramic coverage, allowing you to see visitors, packages, and your entire doorstep in exceptional detail. Powered by a long-lasting 6400 mAh rechargeable battery, the R811S features AI human detection, package detection, smart notifications, and intelligent video search for fast access to important events. Infrared and LED night vision ensure clear monitoring after dark, while the IP66 waterproof design delivers reliable performance in all weather conditions. With built-in 32 GB local storage, support for Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, and easy wall-mounted or adhesive installation, the BOTSLAB R811S is an excellent choice for homeowners seeking advanced security, convenience, and subscription-free local recording. Number 4. Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. The Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera, wired, is a premium video doorbell that combines intelligent security with seamless smart home integration. It records sharp HD video with a wide 187 degrees field of view, allowing you to see visitors, packages, and your entire front entrance in exceptional detail. Equipped with two-way audio, advanced motion and sound detection, color night vision, and noise reduction technology, it lets you communicate clearly with guests and monitor your home day or night. The camera also supports features like time-lapse recording, brightness control, and 8x digital zoom for enhanced visibility. Designed with an IP65 weather-resistant rating, it withstands rain and harsh outdoor conditions while providing dependable year-round performance. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and the ecobee smart home ecosystem, the ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera is an excellent choice for homeowners looking for reliable, high-quality front door security with convenient voice and app control. Number 5. Aosu Wireless Video Doorbell. The Aosu Wireless Video Doorbell is a smart 2K security solution designed to provide reliable front door monitoring with crystal clear video and intelligent detection features. Equipped with a 3MP CMOS sensor, it records sharp 2K 1440p footage and offers a wide 166 degrees field of view, ensuring you can clearly see visitors, packages, and your doorstep. AI human detection helps reduce false alerts, while infrared night vision delivers dependable monitoring up to 33 feet after dark. The built-in two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors in real time through the Aosu app, whether you're at home or away. Powered by a long-lasting 5200 mAh rechargeable battery, the doorbell is easy to install without complicated wiring, and its IP66 weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in rain, snow, and harsh outdoor conditions. Combining wireless convenience, smart notifications, and high-quality video, the Aosu Video Doorbell is an excellent choice for enhancing your home security.